Morning guys, this is Sunday morning and I'm down on the beach. Look at that, look at the cliff. Hey, I'm right underneath this. Look at the size of that. Hey, I'm jogging down here today rather than walking over the fields. Like I said, keep walking along. Look, the old sea's rough as anything today. You've probably got the wind and rain. I'm in my joggers today, my trainers. I've got my hat on. Feeling good this morning. Like I say, it gives you a positive outlook if you get up and start jogging. Get out the house, you feel positive about yourself. Look at my old rocks on here. Look, you can actually walk along under this cliff at low tide. I wouldn't recommend it though, because zoom in. The old cliff's crumbling down. I mean, these rocks that you're looking at now are actually bigger than you. Great big boulders down there. This is where the underwalk finishes. That's where it goes along. Don't know if you can see down there. Look at that. It's a bit windy today guys, so I'm going to cut the video short. I'm going to carry on with me jogging. Feeling good this morning. Keeping up with all the exercise. Raining hard, but I'm still out here. I'm in just a jumper. Jumper and out. I'll show you myself now. I don't care if you see me. Look. See? Joggers. All ready to go. Keeping fit. I'll be looking on eBay for different weights as well. See if I can get some ankle weights and some wrist weights that I can carry around with me. I just want to tone my body up, you know. I'm not fat now. I'm just, you know, from all the years of just not looking after myself, there's a little bit of love handles, I should say, around my belly. Whereas before me, I was quite a fit young lad, but now I just try to get that back again. And I want to see myself in a different light. I want to see myself actually in the mirror, looking better than what I did. And that's what's motivating me at the moment, keeping my mind occupied. Oh, horrible, windy, horrible day in here. All right, guys. I might do a little video as I get further along. Speak to you shortly. Right, I've done my jog from along the underwalk. Now I'm back. And have a look at this. Look, this is the steps. You have to go back up. All the way up there, see? Now these steps, obviously they're dug into the cliff front there. And there's over 2,000 steps going all the way up. You see? Right at the very top there, they actually abseil off that sometimes in the summertime. Down here to the bottom. But you got these steps up there. Now, don't just walk up them. You got to not run up them, but you know, go up there quickly just to get a burn on your legs and get the sweat out of you. And that's where I'm going to go in a minute. I could actually take you up there with me, but there's a guy walking up there. Let me walk up. I'll walk up to the first level with you. Get out of this rain because it is bloody horrible down here. Right. Let's get to the steps. As you can see, I'll show you from down here. Look, they're quite a steep step of steps. So let's go. Up we go. Get higher. Ooh. Got a little drain running down the side there for the water. Ooh. Right. That's the first level. These stones in the cliff as well. Look, I don't know if you can see the layers of flint. You see these? Over the years, where the seabed's laid down, it's built up. Then there's flint, and there's seabed that's built up. How many millions of years do you reckon it took to make that? Hey. Right, let me show you. I'll show myself walking up here. Right, you ready? Here we go. Now, just keep on exercising. Helps you, you know. Keep your mind occupied. Make sure no one's watching you as you're talking to the camera. Here we are. See people carving their names in the cliff there on the way up. Nearly to the top. Keep going. I ain't going to talk to you now on the way up because I'm getting puffed out. Nearly there. Oh. Bloody hell. That's it. We're at the top now. Long way down. And I'm pooped. Right, I'll do another video on Monday. Cheers for watching. See you later. Keep well.